Uh, Today about to be a very short clip, I would say. Just installed my new exhaust. Well, not new, my old exhaust. It's a Delkevic Exhaust. What I did, I took the baffle out, my old one. It wasn't like that, but I'm really happy to get run over, to be honest. So I can just be honest. So right now, I haven't rode this bike for the past 3 days. So right now it's on a cold startup. So I just want to show you guys how it sounds cold, and then we're gonna take it for a quick ride. She got a little bass to it, so think about it, right? To be honest, just to show how it sounds. So I just did a warm up for like a minute or so. I have a recorder under my seat, so you won't hear the audio from my GoPro anymore. You'll hear it now from the recorder as I ride. So I'm gonna just take it for a little quick ride just to see how it sounds without the baffle. She sounds more like a monster if you ask me. Like you can hear it.